Welcome back to a Watch Me Work. This is what we're trying to accomplish today. Just going to take off some old palm tree set. She went to Hawaii, had to have her palm trees, and they turned out absolutely so cute, and she loved them. Got so many compliments on them, and now they're coming off. There's been some chipping and things going on, so we're gonna put a whole new set on with some forms. I did this one with tips, so we decided we're not gonna do tips, we're gonna just do the straight form. I have my handy dandy hefty duty bit. It's amazing. It takes down product quite well. You do have to be careful when you go to the natural nail. It will ruin the natural nail if you're not careful. So this is a very hefty duty bit that I love. I believe I got it from Kupa. Who knows where I get things anymore? I've just been getting things all over the place, but I believe this one was from Kupa. I'm ever so careful taking down this product, you guys. I am like lightly feathering her nail. This is very close to her natural nail, so I'm being very cautious. Okay, so now I'm hand filing into shape. She wants it round. And she has quite thin nails, so I've got to be extra careful so I don't hurt her. I'm pushing back the cuticle and taking off the shine. I'm using this Perigium stone from Tammy Taylor. Absolutely love it. Gets rid of all that skin that's on the nail that causes lifting. And we are putting her forms on. Making sure they're nice and snug. And I'm just doing one hand at a time. And then I'll put the acrylic on this hand. And then I'll put the forms on the other hand and then do the acrylic on the other hand. It's kind of just the way I work. I don't know. Maybe if I did it in another way, it'd be a lot faster, but this way works so far, so good. Okay, continuing my prep with Vitaprime from Light Elegance, just 1 dot is fine to put on there. And this prevents lifting, cleans up the nail, dries it out a bit. And then this is tack. Tack is pretty awesome itself, and it does the same thing as it acts as a base too. So you can put it in the light or you can let it air dry. But this is from Light Elegance also. So these two products together are saving me, plus Tammy Taylor's Perigium Stone. So now I am putting on the acrylic. We chose Sunset Paradise from Glam and Glitz. And then this is just a white from C&D. And I'm using Tammy Taylor monomer. So I noticed when I use C&D with Tammy Taylor monomer, it is definitely a different consistency. So I will see how this holds up. Still testing out products together. I know that there's a lot of you need to use the same products, but people make it work, and I'm determined to make it work too. But I do use a lot of Young Nails monomer and polymer together, but I don't have Tammy Taylor polymers, and so I'm using Glam and Glitz at this time. Maybe in the future I will get some Tammy Taylor, but for now this is what I'm using. And so we are doing Sunset Paradise, and then we're doing an accent nail with some flowers on it, some kind of tropical-y flowers. So yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous. Oh, and we're gonna put rhinestones on there. Oh my gosh, can't wait. Love putting rhinestones. It's one of my favorite things to do. Okay, now I'm using Speed Clear from Young Nails. It's just going to give the nail extra strength and a protection barrier from, when I'm filing, so I don't file too much of the orange off. Okay, now I'm finished filing, going from side to side, and getting it all leveled out. Putting that Speed Clear on made it very smooth on top, so there won't be a whole lot of filing, but I chose not to use the efile this time. I just want to make sure that every little piece and every crevice is taken care of, so I just wanted these nails to look really, really nice for her. I could have used a e-file, but I just want to be extra cautious not to file too much. I got these files from Amazon, I think a pack of 100. If I find the link, I will post it below. Alright, cleaning up the nails, getting all that dust out of her cuticles. and then putting tack on so we can put a top coat. Now for the very best part, the flowers and the rhinestones. So exciting! Just using Young Nails products, gel paint. It's very pigmented, love it. It stays put, it cures for 10 seconds, you can move on. I've got my amazing Luxa brushes. They work absolutely divine. This is a design that she wanted, and I couldn't agree more. This fits her personality quite well. Getting my gummy jelly ready for the rhinestones, and you really just don't need that much. I mean, this tub is going to last me 100 years. Just placing a little bead right there and a little bead on the other flower. And then I will use my dotting tool to pick up the rhinestone and place it on there. Snug tight. I cure these for about 30 seconds. Lastly, putting the top coat on, and it brings out that beautiful crystal clear shine. I'm loving this set. We always have great success with what she picks out. Make sure to get all the way around those rhinestones so they stay secure with that top coat. And always make sure to cap your free edges. So I'm just finishing the last touches. I'm getting the top coat all ready to go, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds, sometimes longer, whatever I feel like. And then I will take off the inhibition layer with an alcohol wipe, and then I will put on the cuticle oil, and then it's finished and it's beautiful, and I am loving this set. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have subscribed. Hope you join my tribe. See you later.